Yo, blood clot Digga D. Blood clot Digga D. What ya do, youth? Ya perplex me brain. Ya perplex me tranquility. Youth. Blood clot, youth.
What is up, guys? Sacrificing with another reaction. You like that? 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 Yeah, we like it. Anyway, let's go. So today, guys, we here with Daily Duppy, Digga D. Digga D. But I go waste one little time on this. I just fly through it. No, that not go. I go break it down. We go pause every 10 seconds and hear what the boss I say. So let's go. Because myself Digga D. If you watch the reaction now, don't forget to click like Digga D. You know what the thing go? Like Digga D. Like Digga D. Alright, let's go Digga D. Alright, like Digga D. Let's go Digga D. Yeah? Ready? Boss! Yeah! Boss just come in and just put the thing over the mic straight. Because he knows it's gonna set the mic on fire, so we need something to cool it down. This is what we're gonna use. That is what he's using, this is what I'm using. Water! Load! Yeah. Let's go.
Look. Fresh home still using a kettle to whip this fish, ain't nothing like tuna.
I'm breaking on every bar, so don't look at me. If you don't like it, leave. Him saying fresh home, so he might use a kettle for whip up the fish. Him say the fish like tuna.
Fresh home still using a kettle to whip this fish, ain't nothing like tuna.
Me know some them use kettle in a prison for cook with. Me not sure what I mean, so can somebody explain to me? Digga, me always have a problem I break down your bars and me brother. Cause you're on one different planet, brother. Jano, let's go.
Been more than meddling kids if Kruger taught me to whip up sooner.
Me say the little meddling kids thing, they do the Scooby-Doo thing. Alright, let's go.
I'll chop with melanin kids, the rumour is Digga D is a groomer, just mixed 252 with 60.
Huh? The rumor is Digga D is a groomer?
This fish ain't nothing like tuna. Would have been more than meddling kids if Kruger taught me to whip up sooner.
Would have been more than meddling kids if Kruger told me to whip up sooner. But still not get that. Explain! Oh no, explain! Let's go!
I'll chop with melanin kids, the rumour is Digga D is a groomer, just mixed 252 with 60. The boy Ash just rang for a tuna.
I just make 252 with 60. What a bumbo clot? What him say? I just make 252 with 60. What that mean? I just make 252 with 60. I just make 252.
Groomer, the Digga D is a groomer, just mixed 252 with 60.
I just mix 252 with 60. That powder and magic mixed together? Or what? It mix up me something turning into something. Yo, Digga D, leave me alone here, brother.
The boy Ash just rang for a tuna. And that's actually factual. Parrots full with oil, in jail mixed that with mackerel.
So I'm tell you how I'm cook at jail. I'm tell you the jail life. So if you haven't been to jail before, the boss will tell you what I'm doing at jail, what I'm cooking boy in a mackerel. I don't know if a drugs might refer to the actual food. Because I can't tell you Digga D. I'm sorry, but me have to break it down. Me have to try. Nothing try, nothing done. Yeah, let's go.
It felt amusing for you when Big Man Joe Man broke my capsule.
What a blood clot?
In jail mixed that with mackerel. It felt amusing for you when Big Man Joe Man broke my capsule.
Felt young offenders establishment. The file, the plug there, the tuner there, and the vape there. Yo, if it wasn't for the edit, big up the editor. If it wasn't for the editor, me that last like a phone without chip. Me that last with no sat nav needed. Me that last and can't find my way back home. Me that last like a... Yo, let's go, man.
Capsules. Should have been out school, he left that place when cat school. Why? We all sell drugs, it's natural.
He said, somebody should have been at school. Who should have been at school?
Capsules. Should have been out school, he left that place when cat school. Why? We all...
Should have been at school. So he was young enough to be at school. But when the cat them call him left, him gone making money. Cause money come before education in a theme term. Man, of business. Man, a hustle.
Also drugs, it's natural. Jeez,
Yeah.
I just got released. No more selling berries. All hair in the girls with keys.
No more. And he said basically him just get released, so him free now. Him not have to hear no water. I come towards him with keys and them thing there. So the only keys in my pre are money. Are the moolah, are the white lady keys. You know what I mean? Yeah, the powder there. That powder there.
Right.
I don't know if I saw them deep, but I don't know.
Anaka, rest in peace. Yeah. Just like my pin. It's haram for us to eat pork, but ain't haram for them to get bacon, though. Yeah. Just like my pin.
Just like my Pussy. No. Leave that alone. That not spell pussies. People. People. Just like my people. Yeah!
Oh, no. 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 No.
It's haram for us to eat pork, but
It is wrong for them to eat pork. That think I refer to Muslim.
ain't haram for them to get bacon, don't get cooked or shaven. Been in the field like 𝐁𝐂𝐊𝐃𝐄𝐊𝐃, real yard man like Jacob.
𝐁𝐂𝐊𝐃, that's from GTA 4. GTA 4, Nico. Remember Nico. Dirty thinking Nico. Remember you, Nico.
Don't get chopped like Franklin's dog, cause your soul might just get taken.
Bap. This channel is called Jamaica's Verse Gamer. I play GTA a lot. I play GTA like the story mode, so I know say Franklin dog named Chop. Big up yourself, Chop, me and you a par. You my dog, J. You see it? Let's go.
Not green but grow, my ops are broke. They ain't ballers, this
Not green, but is in a strictly GTA mood right there, so let's go.
Franklin's dog, cause your soul might just get taken. Not green but grow, my ops are broke. They ain't ballers, this blatant.
The Grove Street gang them green. Grove Street gang color green. The other color is purple. GTA again.
We got a CJ from Grove as well, but we ain't in San Andreas.
Yo, blood clot, dog. Yo, ball, yo, fuck! Yo, the man I got. Him go back at CJ. Is CJ dead or is CJ alive? Is CJ coming back in a GTA? That's what I want to know. It's nothing to do with the reaction, but that's what I want to know.
They ain't ballers, this blatant. We got a CJ from Grove as well, but we ain't in San Andreas. Jojo got an L plate, he even got his provisional license.
Yo, the man I drive on provisional license, but him not an L plate on him car. I just saw the bad in his car. Big up the editor again.
Watch me whip this gang and his head back, jerk, pin drop, that's not about silence.
Dog, please, just stop this now, my youth. Stop this, please. Me I beg you, just stop, Digga, just stop.
I've got to step on violence, GBK get bun, no Byrons. My young boys do what I say, I'm Simon, charged up and vibrant.
My young boys do as I say, I'm Simon. Like Simon, do as I say. Simon say, stop! Simon say, talk! Hey, me I talk here now. Simon say, stop it nice. Let's go.
We ain't sharing a drink when I let that sky, which is head back tilt. They had my man cold outside, had to cover that kid in a quilt.
They had my man cold outside, so him deep on the ground dead so long, him cold, him body are freezing up, so them have to cover him up, you know. You don't know, friends up on the sea. That's what I say. Please leave in the comment section and explain to me, guys. I don't know.
She like me and her drink got spilt. I lost no sleep, I don't feel no guilt. Oh shit, she needs some milk. Case dismissed before it got built.
That bitch needs some milk! That bitch needs some milk!
I got a dotty off one of my EastEnders, but the son of a gun's not Nick. The queen.
I got Duppy off
Dismissed before it got built. I got a dotty off one of my EastEnders, but the son of a gun's not Nick.
I got Duppy off after EastEnders. EastEnders are the soap. I got Duppy off of EastEnders. I have a strap from my youth to come from East End. Him son, that a Nick, see Nick there. Him son, something boy, him son didn't get Nick. That's his son named Nick. Oh, me know. Don't ask me, me know. I don't watch EastEnders. Don't ask me, me know. I know.
The queen that I want ain't Vic, but I still made that on the square like Mick.
Yo, what the fuck him got a EastEnders? Brother, what the bomber clock there, my youth? What the fuck you got on EastEnders now? First you got GTA, now you got EastEnders. Where you gonna go next?
Yo, blood clot Digga D. Blood clot Digga D. What ya do you? Ya perplex me brain. Ya perplex me tranquility. Youth. Blood clot, youth. Blood clot. Let's go.
My little streamer's in his prime time if I send him now. TV at 6. Like, how's he got so much talk on the net like he ain't been touched with the flicks?
Yo. Me can't bother. Seriously, me can't bother. Seriously, me can't bother with this.
School days never had me a rollie, I bought that aqua fresh. I told her I want all Rubina, she's all on me and she's making a mess.
Hey, B, more oral. Sucky bolo, baby, that me want. Now she make a mess. This is the thing there. Yo, Bumble Clyde, what going?
She said that it's big for a slender, easy, I'm tender, don't undress. Dress, ejaculate in her mouth or pull out, ejaculate on her breast.
I say come in her mouth. Pull out and come in her breast. Come on her breast. Okay.
Yes.
Alright, second track now. Hopefully we can break down a bit more. And you see me? Alright, second track. Let's go. I hope he doesn't go in that mood again where he go perplex me tranquility again and hurt up me Dula Mangala.
Look, yo, about 10 for a show, come correct. Show respect, 44 feature, I'm the hardest, what did you expect? About 10 for
Wait, man. Wait.
show, come correct. Show respect, 44 feature, I'm the hardest.
Come correct. I'm 40. Yo, what the blood clot me do this?
Hardest, what did you expect?
What the fuck me take up this for again? Like, what me do this for again? That reaction you're not. Yo, people. I'm a guy like this. Me not gonna be like the other reactioners them and go like say them know what they matter. Me don't know every bars what they matter about. If me know the bars I will break it. If I don't know it, sorry, you have to help me. You have to help the J. Sorry.
I had hitters on the wing, but I still made a ching. Fuck my future, didn't think I just chefed his neck.
I got hitters on the wing. So if we go in there prison, I have hitters on the wing. Some pussy things are joke.
I had hitters on the wing, but I still made a ching. Fuck my future, didn't think I just chefed his neck.
I got hitters on the wing and I still make a ching. One stabber and the chef him neck. Chef him stab him neck. Him not care about him future. Him not care say if him do something bad at prison, him still a go there at prison. Him not care about that. Him have to care about him reputation and sort out the issue at hand. Reputation, issue at hand, rhyme. Bars, let's go.
Spent 40 on my car too. Would've spent more if my insurance let me pass through.
But me saying spend 40 grand on him car. Him would have spent more if him insurance make him pass it. Cause some insurance, if you're too young, them not get it. Especially if it's an expensive car, them not go get it.
The other day I was looking at a Lambo truck in the showroom with my Rambo top shot.
Blood clot. What's up? The man said at the other day I was looking at a Lambo truck. See? I'm looking at a Lambo truck. In the showroom with them Rambo knife talking, him not take no joke. Remember I say I saw XX they died, you know.
What the hell did you just say?
Me can't call him name. Sorry, this is one of those names I can't call. X-Tastion. Him go around car show or on bike car something or on bike something and then them kill him after. So him say him not let himself kill it, you know. Extension. Let's go.
I said cut my hair and go back to the fuckboy trim. Far from a fuckboy, you know I bust my spin. I took L's in the field, but I got more wins. Shot a tape for $500,000 and bought more things.
Bars. Him say yo, him still have him spinner, but yeah, I went too far. Let's go.
Shot said cut my hair and go back to the fuckboy trim.
You said if you cut me here and go back to the fuckboy trim. Nope, not a fuckboy anymore. Nope, me graduate from that school. Nope, me graduate. Nope, I will not go back to that trim. You cannot get me to go back to that trim. See you later, alligator. Let's go.
I'm alright.
What?
I think.
Far from a fuckboy, you know I bust my spin. I took L's in the field, but I got more wins.
Me take L's in the field, but I have more wins. You might win the battle, but you will not win the war. Me have more wins, not the war. Look at elder yeah, whatever.
Shot a tape for 500,000 and bought more things.
Shot a tape for 500,000 and bought more things. So you mix tape 500,000. Yo, me if you start rapping. I'm not talking about rapping paper or Christmas rapper. Me if you start do some rapping, dog. Look on the man, 500,000 for your mixtape. Me say me can rap. Yeah. Alright, watch a rapper. Give me a rhythm now. As a boyfriend, chad out, me chad in. Jump to fence, check Nadine. Cocker up, push the cow cadin. Tall Radin. Girl run like a engine, she having. Disappear like Bin Laden. Spot another girl out a road, she me jogging. Girl Nadine. Come and tell me say a boyfriend na mean. You know, if you put the rad in. It's 10 anacondas. 3 more inches me adin. Ready to go wine and stabbing. Knock it like a jump, sink it like a submarine. Telling on me baby she carrying. Crack it make a pussy beat like a tambourine. Wine pan it like Jambisco jamboree. Nah, no girl cause then no tangerine. Wine pan it. Hey, wine pan it. Hey, yeah, just wine pan it. But yeah, we can get $500,000 for that now.
The good news is that you have a day job.
$500,000, what you mean? Watch it.
This rap shit bringing more bitch shots. Banging Budger Bant and 2 Brits cocked before.
Bojo, big up yourself, Bojo. My name is Bojo, but let's go.
Rap, it was corners and corners. Some used the phone box, so I answered no callers.
I was phone on the corner, so I use a phone box. So if you use a phone box, man, use the phone box and cut. I'm not gonna hear the phone box. So I'm not gonna answer and I cut. Okay.
Mum's life, let my gun rise, I get busy. So much guns out to share some with Killy.
Killy them crazy now. Him say him have so much gun, him have so much rifle, him have so much matic. Him have to share some car. Him alone can't bust so much gun. So him have to share some with him, G them, tug them.
Ask them. So much guns, man. Run out of places to pass gangs.
I have so much gun, me not have nowhere to lock them. I have run out of place to lock them. Me bury them. Me have them at some gal yard, but you can't trust gal. Me have them at some of me G them yard, but you can't. But me not keep none of my house, cause you don't know what go on. You see it?
2 phones, man's renting them a rack a week each.
What?
Run out of places to pass gangs. 2 phones, man's renting them a rack a week each.
Him have 2 trap phone, him have 2 lines for them rent out $1,000 a day each. No, $1,000 a week, sorry, $1,000 a week each. Bumbo clot. Brother, you make $8,000 a month. Yeah, my math skill is good, let's go.
Only cause they keep interrupting my sleep. And bro, I want my little brothers to eat. But
the only reason why I rent them, because they interrupt my sleep, they ring too much. Plus, want my little brother to have things and to eat food too.
Yo, I ain't giving them a handout. When I needed a hand in, we brought bands out.
I'm not here for no hands out. I'm not giving no hands out. Try know that.
There we go. You hear me, bro? I named the 4-4 long merry-go-round.
What?
Only one. There we go. You hear me, bro? I named the 4-4 long merry-go-rounds. Only.
I named the 4-4 long merry-go-round. And me tell you so the 4-4 long before, though. The 4-4 Magnum, it long. It named long touch. Long touch. Short catch. Long touch. Come. Yeah, you know what? You see me? Yeah, dog. Clot a 69 to you, brother. 6 round 90, no. I remember I said that on the pension, you know. Lord have mercy. Let's go, Percy.
One more turn, you're heading to a Cheerio. Right wrist 20, left like 60, basically 70. And I don't like girls my age.
Me don't know what kind of match him do this a while ago. Me give up on that one day, so let's go.
Jealous is my own Tennessee. The rest in the UK just look dead to me. So
Bombo cloud. How no, you fucking didn't. You out of order. Yeah, costing your left, brother. Alright. Look. Yeah, let's go. Be done. Yo, you hear the man say? Listen everything got
basically 70. And I don't like girls my age unless it's my own Tennessee. The rest in the UK just look dead to me. So
the man said me not like girls my age unless them my or Tennessee. The rest of the UK look dead to me. Them dead. Me not sure if I agree with that one, because I know so the girl in the comment section I go beat you. I mean, I want them beat me, so me alright.
I fly the foreign zine. Smash same day, I forgot they had to quarantine.
Ah? What I'm saying though?
Dead to me, so I fly the foreign zine. Smash same day, I forgot they had to quarantine.
Man say him fly some foreigner gal in, some Puerto Rican chick, some Albanian chick, some Brazilian chick.
Oh, chest. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. My chest is going.
You don't know, me have to release the air out of my back, but guess what? Me forgot to them have to quarantine.
And I got shooters on my team. Big guys, left 5 shell casings on the scene. You ain't
Me have shooters for my team. But some of them boys are some bait guys because them left shell on the scene. Remember the 4.4 Magnum do not leave shells. It carry the shell with it.
never had to watch 4-5 hit cop. Had me feeling like a nigga got ripped off.
Me no know who that person then put on the thing, but let's go.
I was using wrong shells, I was buzzing. Can't never had the name at the side of the Sutton.
Okay, so he must say, yo, when him first get him thing, he was quite naive to it because he would have to use wrong shell in the thing because he never know the size of it because he was a novice to it. But now him glued up, so you know, say, boy, I gotta get glued up. Pluck up!
I grew up listening to Cowboy and BP. Then it turned to Little Reese and Chief Keef.
Okay. Big up them artists there.
14 really in the streets, knees deep. Putting 4 bills down and that was each week.
Man, so I make 4 bills each week. 4 bills each week. What your average person in England I get per week? For what? For 350? 320, 350? And that's probably with 40 hours a week. Depends on the job. What you do?
My ops getting chatty with it. I'm just getting slappy with it.
And yo, him ups I get I'm chatty with it. Me I get yo.
Nah, I'm getting dappy with it.
Duppy, na. Yo. Na. So guys, once again, Digga the wife of the blood. Digga the mash up my brain, cause half of what I say me never get. I mean I go act like say me get it. Cause if me never get it, me never get it. You understand? Like I said, I'm not gonna act like some reactor where I act like they didn't get every bars. No, I did not get every bars. I'm not expected to get every bars. You understand? But if you like the reaction, if you like the vibe, if you like the energy, I haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Just hit the subscribe button. And also, follow me on the gram. Alright? You know the Ingram there. So come. I'll see you in the next one. Alright? Yeah? Alright, peace.